Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Yolanda Monique, and I am here to do my unboxing for my Boxycharm. I finally have both the base box and my premium box. So in this video, I'm going to unbox my base box, and then you'll see another of me unboxing my premium. So this is the base box for the Boxycharm series. This is the lowest box that they have. It's $25 a month. You get 5 items. The value should be over $125. So you get to choose one item. This month's theme is Boxycharm. I'm assuming it's glamping because they have spa, glamping, sunbathing, yoga, slumber. Not sure which specifically, but I'm gonna go and take a guess and say glamping. So the Boxycharm base box always has the red interior, so here is what I got. First thing right off the bat, which was my choice, was the Too Faced Born This Way Super Coverage Concealer. I love their packaging. Too Faced, you can't fault them for their packaging. I have a lot of Too Faced products, and all because of Boxycharm. The shade that I chose was Maple. This is the exact tone for my skin. I wish I had went in during choice and picked another one that was lighter so I could do a lighter concealer, but I have so many light concealers, I'm okay with that. And it is a, not a sponge, I guess a doe foot applicator. Ooh, that's a lot. This sucker is coverage. So I'm really looking forward to trying this. I might do a Too Faced look with all my other Too Faced products I've gotten from Boxycharm. But this, let me tell you what Boxycharm says about this. The Too Faced Born This Way Coverage Concealer conceals, contours, highlights, and retouches with a super perfect natural finish concealer slash makeup hybrid. Fully loaded pigmented, provides maximum coverage with an undetectable finish for a look so flawless they'll think you're born this way. MSRP is $29. I get a lot of my collection from Too Faced from Boxycharm. Next thing I see in here is a Hydra Glow Sleep Serum, Triple Action Hyaluronic Acid for all skin tones by Mind Tan Body Skin. Never heard of them, so let's see what Boxycharm has to say about them. Let me see if I can zoom in on this. Mind Tan Body Skin Hydra Glow Sleep Serum. Greet the day with glowing skin. Hydra Glow Sleep Serum instantly absorbs with Triple Action Hyaluronic Acid. Formulate delivered time release multi-depth hydration for fully hydrated skin that glows. Wake up looking fabulous and great. Greet the day with glowing skin. MSRP is $44.95. That still doesn't tell you a lot. So let me read the directions. It literally doesn't tell you if it's for night, it's for day, because it says sleep serum, so you would think that you would apply it at night, but it literally does not tell you to apply at night. It just simply says to apply before your moisturizer. Well, I use moisturizer during the day, so I'm going to assume you can use this at night. That's interesting. I wonder if you can use it with other acids. Hyaluronic is supposed to pull moisture from the air and apply it to your skin. I'm on the fence about that because, one, I would like to know more about the company. I'm definitely going to do some research on it, but it's a skin serum, so I'm okay. Next thing I see is the Violet Voss Essentials 2 Pro Series. I have a love-hate relationship with Violet Voss. I had 3 of their palettes, and granted that I got them from Ipsy, and all 3 of them I had no, when I used them I felt like I didn't have a lot of shadow. It was not highly pigmented. And I had the Festival one, I had the Raspberry one, and then I had the Peach one, and I ended up giving all of them away because I kept using them, and I was like, okay, one, they look exactly like other shadows that I have, but I have to build these up. So I'm hoping that this one is not like that. I don't know if I had a dud, because I hear people talk about how amazing their stuff is, but I was not impressed. Here are the shades. You can see it has 2 purple, it has 2 blues, one's aqua, one's kind of like a glittery teal, it's got copper, a rose gold, a bronze. So it's shades you should have in other palettes that you've gotten from Boxycharm. So this isn't anything new. I'm glad I got this over the cool tone one, because I was like, I'm never going to touch that one. So I'm not going to even swatch this because 9 times out of 10, I'm going to end up giving this to a family member. Since literally all of these shades in here, I have in my other eyeshadow palettes that I've actually touched. Everyone seems to have a copper, a blue, a bronze, a chocolate brown, the purples. So I think it's nice and all, but I'm not going to swatch it because I'm probably going to, like I said, give it to a family member. So like I said, I have a love-hate relationship with them. It's like, ooh, palette. Okay, this isn't anything different. Okay, the shadows aren't coming off as intense as I want it. So let me read you what Boxycharm says about this. The Violet Voss Essentials 2 palette. These 10 shadow pans of pure bliss provide all-day hues you need to create your to-go glam look, as well as vivid pops of color to liven up your look. MSRP is $36. So yeah, if you are building up your eyeshadow collection and you haven't been with Boxycharm for a while, this would be absolutely amazing because you're like, ooh, I've got some neutrals, I've got, you know, some bronzes, some metal tones. But if you've been with them for 6 months and you've gotten, for me, I can truly say, because I have all 3 boxes, I get a palette every month. So this one is okay. Next thing I see in here is the Big Fat Liner. It's a kohl pen marker. I'm not going to open it because I already have a liner that I'm using right now. But I have heard stories about it, and I can feel it, the moving, tweaking inside. So this is from Rockins, and it is a black eyeliner. So Rockins Cosmetics Big Fat Liner. Always start your eyes with the look of a big fat liner, and you can do bold as you want. Get creative and experiment with the different shapes. MSRP is $25. So I'm curious about the brush type. I think I've seen other people use it, and it's a marker like type. I'm okay with it. I can use those. The last thing that I have is from Clarins. My box looks like it was harassed because it's bunging here and twisted here. But the color I have based off the box, it looks like it's going to be Velvet Rosewood. It's a velvet lip protector. So it's a squeeze tube. It wasn't used because it's still white, so that's good. Let's see what this shade looks like. Ooh, that's interesting. I do have to build it up though. So you can see it right there. It's kind of like, it looks matte. I'll have to read the description, but it looks like it's a matte, and it's a soft raspberry. So let's see what Boxy has to say about this. Clarins Velvet Lip Protector. Clarins best-selling natural lip protector. Go bold with a new matte finish. A liquid lipstick with a lightweight mousse texture that delivers a highly pigmented velvet finish with a soft blur effect. Formulated with conditioning and nourishing shea butter, leaves lips feeling hydrated for hours. MSRP is $26. So I knew it was matte because I put it on, you immediately was like, oh yeah, this is matte. So overall, I actually like my box. I'm pretty excited about it. I love the lip product. It's a matte lip. I'm all for matte lips. It's a brand I haven't heard of or tried, so I'm willing to go for that. Too Faced is a pretty decent brand. I just wish their approach to their marketing would be more inclusive, but I have heard wonderful things about their concealer. I'm not going to use this, but if you didn't have any eyeshadows, then I think that you would like it. If you've had some, then this isn't anything new. A concealer, a lip product, an eyeliner, and skincare. So overall, the box is well rounded. I'm going to include the total price for the box right around here or here so that you can see how much it cost me total for the box. I am overall happy with it. Even though I'm not going to use the eyeshadow, the fact that I got an eyeshadow palette is like, okay, yeah, I'm really liking that. Especially considering I was kind of like, ooh, I don't want the cool tone one because I know I'm not going to touch it. But that's my Boxycharm base box. I can't wait to share with you my Boxycharm Premium, and next month we get the Luxe. So let me know what you guys think, and I will check you guys out on the next video. Bye.